2016, I started sharing my meal plans with prep guides. We had a lot of success, and then we also turned that into a meal prep business. And now I deliver pre-prep dinner kits and ready-to-eat lunches within a 150-mile radius of where I live. You might have tried my service, but maybe you didn't, and maybe it's not in your budget. I have a free one. You can download it. You can click the link and you can download it. It gives you a free week of exactly what I give if you purchase 12 weeks. The only difference is that I give you all the pictures and images and all the pretty stuff that goes with the 12 weeks. So that's kind of cool. But here's the thing, 1 week meal plan. It includes some dinners, a lunch, a breakfast, and then you follow my meal prep. You spend 1 to 2 hours, 1 day a week, who are just overwhelmed by the food in their lives and feel like they can reclaim some of their time, some of their sanity, some of their stress, and just make things better all the way around.